In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 on Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Mac that you have. So all you want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to your browser of choice, then we can just go over to Google, and then we can just type in download Microsoft Office, like so, then go over to the second option, and then you're going to see download Microsoft Office 365 for Windows and Mac. Now all you want to do is press download for Mac OS, which is going to be the second option right there. Now go ahead and click on that, and this might just be opening up a second web page. So then just go ahead and wait for that to open. Once it does, it's then going to start automatically downloading the installer for Microsoft 365. So then we just got to wait for that to finish. Now, once the installer is done downloading, all I want to go ahead and do is click on it, and then it's going to run me through the installation for it. Now, all I got to do is agree to the terms, but obviously you can read that if you want to. Now, you want to install for all users, unless you want to install for specific users. And it's going to show you how much, space it's going to take. Then just go ahead and press install, and it's going to install for you on your Mac, and you're just going to have to log into your Microsoft account to use it. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.